In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Grounded 2 can't join friends. If you're playing on Xbox, make sure your Xbox Live account is connected to your game. Without this, you won't be able to use any online features or join multiplayer sessions. From the main menu, select Multiplayer, and this will open the options to either host a new game or join an existing one. You'll see two options: host an online game or join one. If you're having trouble joining, make sure you and your friends are online. Everyone's game version is the same, and NAT type is open or moderate on Xbox or PC. Also, you can set a password for your lobby if you want to keep it private. If not, simply select No to make it open to your friends list. Next, select your world type, standard or shared. This option lets your friends access the host and the same world anytime, even if you're offline, which is perfect for groups that want continuous progress together. So if multiplayer still doesn't work after following these steps, restart your game in console or PC. Make sure your crossplay is enabled in your settings, ensure everyone is on the same game version, and check your network connection and NAT type. And if all else fails, try hosting the world as shared and re-invite your friends.